Today we're unboxing the Horacio Dream Planner from Polly. Now, this is a little late because it is a dated 2021 planner, but whatever. I've never found it before, so this is the first time I will be unboxing a Horacio planner. I actually am not sure how long they've been around. I'm not even sure how I found them, but I am excited to check it out. It looks super cute. And yes, just as a warning, this is a very religious planner in case you were like, wow, I should check that out. Only if you were totally okay with a very Christian Catholic sort of planner. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. So today we're checking out the Horacio Ideal Life Planner. Or sorry, not the Ideal Life. I'm thinking the Emma Chamberlain Planner. This is the Dream Life Planner. It's dated. It's for 2021, and I did get it for half price for just $25 because it was the Little Loved planner, which means that it has supposedly some defects. However, I didn't really find any defects. I thought on the back that this was a defect, but then I received another product that was not defective and it looked exactly the same. So I think this is just how they do their signature, I guess, logo on the backside. But this was, I also bought stickers, which were $7, and then I bought washi tape for $10. So let's just check all that out. Now, USPS, it did cost me, she did charge me $10.31 for shipping. So it was a total of $52.30. I totally forgot to hit the record button. I've been going on and on with this unboxing. Anyways, it came with this really cute tape around the edge. Spring, the best is yet to come. And then inside of here, we had a cute little tissue paper that said you are loved. I tried out all of the washi tape for you, clearly just for myself or for the cat. And here's the washi tape that I got and opened already without hitting the record button. And over here is the actual planner that we got, along with some stickers. So it came in this cute pouch. Here we go. Sella, celebrate, get it done. I think these are all the same. I could be wrong, but let's open it up and check it out just to be sure. Nope, I'm wrong. So there's that. There's some get to, rest, refresh. So these are gold foiled. Some of them are. Same thing over here. Some are gold foiled. You are loved. He's got this. It's well, no other name, date. Yeah, I don't think Sella, I have no idea what that means. I don't think it's Jewish because there is a cross over here with the heart. So I'll look that up later. All right, so here, this came in this is a really cute pouch. It's like a very durable cotton pouch. I don't know what I'd use it for again, but it's very pretty. Okay, so this is the kind of loved or little loved, so which means there's a slight imperfection on it. But I mean, I can't see anything wrong with it. Oh, there it is. That's what's wrong with it right there in the back. Horacio printing, which, you know, no biggie. All right, the best is yet to come, 2021 Dream Planner. And we have a bookmark here, so you can just pop this in. So this works just like those Erin Condren bookmarks, where they're kind of pre-formed for the spiral. This is an O coil though, and Erin Condren has a spiral, so. But this seems to work just as well. There you go. All right, live your dreams. We have a folder pocket here in the front. This year belongs to. Welcome to the family. Hey friend, we're so thankful you're here, etc., etc. All right, bucket list. I know I just don't like that word bucket, but I know what they mean. Who do I want to become? Personal growth, dream in all directions. And then we have next steps with all those wheel items here in a box. Top 3 bold dreams for this year. Refocus, cloud, and we have generosity planning, heart check, there's no fear in love, rise up and be radiant. So we have a 2021 year at a glance. Then we have it's a new season, our prayer, I am believing for. So this is winter. because we jump right into January. So we have a 2-page monthly spread, Sunday through Saturday. Wow, there's a ton of space over here, which I like because I'm right-handed, so that like gives me space to write here versus sometimes here it's really hard to write. We have a Bible quote. We have a vertical layout, December 27th through January 2nd. So over here you can write your to-do list. She's marked out which part of the week is. I like that. And then over here, she kind of has made this a little bit of a dark gray and then a light white at the bottom, weekly intentions, and then another Bible quote. And so we kind of just do this rinse and repeat throughout the whole thing. Oh, praise and report. Let's see, here's February. And let's see, does it do the same? Yep, praise and report. So it looks like it does just the same thing, which is fine. It's a dated planner. And then we get to the very end of the year, praise and report. Happy New Year. We get 2022 annual, and then we get some blank dot grid pages, another pocket folder, and we get a strap. So very cute. All right, so what did you think? I loved it. I thought it was cute. I loved the matching stickers. I thought they were gorgeous and they went with it perfectly. I liked the gold foil. I liked how they were simple, but they were still cute. And the washi tape, yeah, I mean, I liked it. I'm not gonna say I loved it. It was cute. Definite yeses though for me all around on keeping the washi tape and the planner and the stickers and everything else. So let me know what you think, and if you are kind of like you like reading scriptures and Bible related items, if you found this to be something that you would purchase as well, because I know if you aren't into that, you probably are like, I don't want that planner at all, that's not really my thing, which is totally fine. So let me know if you would have loved to get this planner. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free class, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.